Hi everybody, Zev Braun here with Dominic Fontaine Associates, and I want to tell you about 5120 Parkhaven. This is in Canton, Ohio, 44705. It's Plain Township, Plain Local School District. A really cool blend of charm, modern contemporary style, lots of updates. And if you take a step inside to this awesome foyer, you can tell it's got all kinds of different features that you would really enjoy. So you got about 2,100 square feet, a little over that, a finished living space on the first and second floor, and then an additional rec area down below of about 1,000 feet. So you got plenty of space to roam around, spread out and enjoy. If you take a step out back, there's a two-tier deck that overlooks a private wooded sanctuary of a backyard where you can enjoy activities, all kinds of good things. This is in Norwood Hills. It's a really cool home in a niche community that's really awesomely located. So if you want to learn a little bit more, reach out, set up a private showing, call me, text me, 330-933-3258.